You can calculate the molarity by using following formula: M1 V1 over N1, M2 V2 over N2. M1, it is the molarity of an acid, which is 0.1 molar, and it is given to you in the statement. V1, it is the volume of an acid, and it is 10 centimeter cube. This value is obtained from the burette final reading minus initial reading. Then we have N1. N1 is the number of moles of an acid, which is 1, and you can take these moles from the equation. Then we have M2. M2 is the molarity of the base, which is unknown, and you have to calculate that molarity. Then we have V2. V2 is the volume of the base. It is 10 centimeter cube, which is taken into the pipette. Then we have N2. N2 is the number of moles of base, which is 1, and here is the equation which helps to calculate the number of moles. NaOH1 and HCl is also 1. Now rearranging with this formula of molarity, you would get like that. M2 is equals to the following. So now you will put the readings, you will put the value in the equations, and you will get 0.1 molar, which is the molarity of the unknown base. Best of luck to all the students. May you get good grades in your exams. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.